Hello, everybody. We're thrilled to have you back with us on the Finis Fusion Finance channel. Today, we're going to explore a topic that can sometimes seem a bit intimidating when it comes to buying a home, the idea that you need a flawless credit score to secure a mortgage. But before we dig into this misconception, if you're joining us for the first time, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell. That way, you won't ever miss any of our valuable financial tips and guidance. Okay, let's jump right in. Alright, so first things first, what exactly is a perfect credit score? Well, a lot of folks think it's 850, but the truth is, it's a bit of a moving target, depending on which credit scoring model you're looking at. Generally, though, anything above 800 is considered excellent. But here's the kicker, you don't actually need to hit the top score to snag a mortgage. You see, one of the most common myths out there is that you've got to have a perfect credit score to even think about getting a mortgage. But hey, hold up. Lenders have this whole array of mortgage types that cater to all kinds of credit profiles. So, while having a higher credit score can definitely open up more doors and get you better interest rates, it's not the be-all and end-all. When you're applying for a mortgage, lenders are looking at a bunch of stuff. It's not just your credit score they're eyeing. They want to know about your income, your job history, how much debt you're carrying, and whether you've got some money saved up for a down payment. All these things together decide whether you're a good fit for a mortgage. Now, here's a neat trick for you. If you're not sitting pretty with a perfect credit score, don't sweat it too much. One smart move is to team up with a mortgage broker. These folks have the lowdown on different lenders and can help you find one that's a good match for your financial situation. They might just find a way around that less than perfect score. Another myth to bust is that all mortgages are cut from the same cloth. Nope, not even close. There's a whole buffet of mortgage types out there, FHA loans, VA loans, conventional loans, you name it. Some of these come with more forgiving credit score requirements. Take FHA loans, for instance. They often have lower credit score requirements compared to the standard conventional loans. VA loans, which are designed for veterans, can also be a bit more forgiving when it comes to your credit score. So, it's a smart move to explore your options and find the one that's a snug fit for your financial situation. Now, here's a little pro tip. When you're diving into the mortgage jungle, make sure you're crystal clear on the terms and conditions. Some loans might be okay with a lower credit score but come with higher interest rates or other costs. So, knowing what you're getting into is absolutely key to making the right call. Okay, let's tackle another myth. Many folks believe that the higher your credit score, the lower the interest rate you'll snag. Well, that's kinda true, but it's not the whole story. Your down payment, the type of loan you're getting, and even the current state of the housing market play a part in determining that interest rate. Here's a ninja move for you if you're gunning for a better interest rate, try saving up for a bigger down payment. A chunkier down payment can sometimes balance out a not-so-perfect credit score and maybe even help you score better loan terms. Now, let's talk about some sneaky loopholes and gotchas in the mortgage game. You need to be aware of these. Credit repair services. Watch out for those credit repair companies promising to fix your credit score in a jiffy. Many of them are either scams or offer just temporary fixes. Cosigners. If your credit score isn't up to snuff, you could consider bringing in a cosigner with a stronger credit history. But remember, this puts their credit on the line, so it's a big ask. Manual underwriting. Some lenders offer manual underwriting, where a real human takes a close look at your application instead of just relying on automated systems. This can be your chance to explain any unique situations that might have dinged your credit score. So, to wrap it up, the idea that you must have a perfect credit score to grab a mortgage is, well, just a myth. While having a solid credit score can make things easier and save you some cash on interest, there are plenty of options for folks with all sorts of credit histories. So, don't be discouraged if your credit score isn't pristine. Homeownership could still be well within your reach. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be in the same boat. And if you've got questions or your own mortgage experiences to share, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in our next chat. Oh, and before I forget, remember that when it comes to finances, knowledge is power. Keep learning, and we'll keep sharing. Until next time, stay financially savvy.